Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually turn on the eye tracking on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18 update for your eye soothing experience. What you need to do is just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, you need to swipe up and you can see that there's an option of accessibility here. Tap on it, and after going to the accessibility, you need to swipe up and you can see that there's an option eye tracking here. What you need to do is just tap on eye tracking and enable the eye tracking. After enabling, it will ask you to follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen, so it can actually track your eye as I see at the moment, and it will start doing the things like this, and after a while it will track my eyeball. uh, okay, perfect. It has actually done the eyeball thing, and so that's how actually I track your control your device just with your eyes, and enable you to do it with your phone. So that's how you can enable the eye tracking option on your iPhone. It is very helpful if you want to control with things with your actually eyes. So that's how you can actually enable it. Thank you. Bye bye.